1. Classic beef burger, a traditional burger made with a grilled beef patty, lettuce, tomato, onion, pickles, and ketchup or mayonnaise in a soft bun. 2. Cheeseburger, a beef burger topped with a slice of melted cheese, usually cheddar, adding a creamy and savory flavor. 3. Double cheeseburger, a hearty burger with 2 beef patties and 2 layers of melted cheese for extra richness. 4. Bacon burger, a beef burger topped with crispy bacon strips, adding a smoky and salty taste. 5. Barbecue burger, a burger glazed with smoky barbecue sauce, often combined with onions and bacon for extra flavor. 6. Chicken burger, a burger made with a fried or grilled chicken patty, often served with lettuce and mayo. 7. Crispy chicken burger, a chicken burger featuring a deep-fried crispy chicken fillet with crunchy texture. 8. Grilled chicken burger, a healthier version using a grilled chicken breast instead of fried meat. 9. Fish burger, a burger made with a breaded fish fillet, usually served with tartar sauce and lettuce. 10. Veggie burger, a plant-based burger made from vegetables, beans, or grains as a meat alternative. 11. Mushroom burger, a burger topped or made with sautéed mushrooms for a rich umami flavor. 12. Double beef burger, a large burger featuring 2 thick beef patties stacked together. 13. Spicy jalapeno burger, a burger with jalapeno peppers and spicy sauce for a hot and fiery taste. 14. Teriyaki burger, a burger glazed with sweet soy-based teriyaki sauce, often inspired by Japanese flavors. 15. Cheddar melt burger, a burger with extra melted cheddar cheese and sometimes cheese sauce. 16. Egg burger, a burger topped with a fried egg, adding richness and a creamy yolk texture. 17. Hawaiian burger, a burger with grilled pineapple slice, ham, and sweet sauce for a tropical taste. 18. Avocado burger, a burger topped with fresh avocado slices or guacamole for a creamy, healthy twist. 19. Swiss mushroom burger, a beef burger topped with Swiss cheese and sautéed mushrooms. 20. Onion ring burger, a burger featuring crispy onion rings inside for extra crunch. 21. Pulled pork burger, a burger filled with slow-cooked shredded pork and barbecue sauce. 22. Lamb burger, a burger made with ground lamb meat, offering a richer and more intense flavor. 23. Black bean burger, a vegetarian burger made primarily from black beans and spices. 24. Buffalo chicken burger, a spicy chicken burger coated in tangy buffalo sauce. 25. Truffle burger, a gourmet burger infused with truffle oil or truffle sauce for a luxurious aroma and taste.